Hey guys, welcome back to Upcoming Smartphones Hub. Today, I've got something seriously exciting in my hands. The all-new Sony Xperia VIII 2027. Trust me, this is not just a smartphone. This feels like a piece of the future. The moment you look at this phone, you can tell Sony didn't hold back. That signature Xperia design is still here, but now it's sharper, more premium, and unbelievably sleek. The tall 4K OLED display is just stunning. I mean, watching videos on this feels like you're holding a mini cinema in your hand. Colors are super vibrant, blacks are deep, and everything just pops. Sony has always been known for displays, but this time they've taken it to another level. The 6.7-inch 4K HDR OLED panel with a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate makes scrolling, gaming, and watching content insanely fluid. And those ultra-thin bezels, they make the phone look futuristic and clean. Now let's talk power. This beast is powered by the latest Flagship chipset, and honestly, it flies. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking like crazy, the Xperia VIII doesn't slow down at all. Apps open instantly, and everything feels smooth and responsive. Okay, this is where Sony really flexes. The camera system on this phone is next level. You get a pro-grade camera setup tuned with Sony's Alpha camera technology. Photos look super natural, not overly processed like other phones. And the video? Wow. Cinematic quality, real-time eye autofocus, and insane stabilization. If you're a content creator, this phone is basically your portable studio. Battery life is solid too. You can easily get through a full day of heavy use. And with fast charging and improved wireless charging, you're not stuck waiting around. Sony didn't forget the little things either. Front-facing stereo speakers, a clean Android experience, and features made for creators and gamers. Plus, it still keeps that professional vibe that Xperia fans love. So, is the Sony Xperia VIII worth it? Honestly, if you love premium design, insane display quality, and professional-level cameras, this phone is a dream. It's not just for casual users, it's for people who actually care about quality, creativity, and performance. Alright guys, that's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more upcoming smartphone content. Let me know in the comments. Would you buy the Xperia VIII or stick with something else? See you in the next one.